Ma menka o say yaba back to a year studio ebedi enkomo asa show bo say no menu ntem no de ekoso wo mampo nyina na asa ampofo ene akwasi insia e de sa nkomo no ebebro ene wotwa mfonyi na kyerɛwo ode funeral committee chairman Adwira hene ono na di nkomo kama wa kyerɛkyerɛwo enioma ebekoso ba bia ote kokoso opemso na nkasa ebetena na amahene aduosiansia semtini ya ebetwa ne ho ahia ene ne tumi a ewa asantimu no na fi wachiro bia Ghana Mampanyin His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ene na pamfo so betena na wasa aboyen kai se Swaziland mpanyimfo so aba omoso ira Jomama bebi obetena hwa no betena afi da na danko Akufo-Addo ene ono so na pamfo bebi obetena nti uhwe ne de na oka o se so oni ahyenso de bia ma wakwanya se obeba ho abedi nkomo bi abetwa mfonyi bi abenanti bebi a mesre obebre wadaroma enkoye ma wesu metwo ka ko si ne etwo ne etwo atade debi wa uni ahyenso de no obetimi akwa akopim baabi na afi waka it wa ahyenso de no so no nyam mia yina akwa ne ma akwa ma de nya afi na akoda fo bakoto tumfo na yakofa asema bebre abro debi it mu manage bibia yi na nya kama na ankoye se na no da president actually shoe no afanyo gina parliament. There's also a training president should which that one video kama. We wish everybody the best of this week. Teacher Union Mamwo Mampono. You say a nibraba, but Momo China, Libya and Kokam. You bet you find now they are kujina body quickly. Now actually body so the Ekoso Honum. Make a body for I have not interacted with you for a long time. Body for minimum nkomo ene anope wo body and now free body and out body from on 0302 211 ekusi 4 wo body nko ampeso aso a frame ebia obekai ye minister ene ye mrahye bedwani se honorable patro ha no school dan haka kra bia kan count the men be wie ya ebia nano da hade ne nkonwa na anso ha no se bia kwan no but hospital with the after doctor for you now come a teacher for me be almost someone to board your massacre enti kai no minister wa member of parliament to our body 0302 211 701 ekusi 4 ye ka say the deputy minister of trade atenase member of parliament for body constituency nimyan for Samson ahi oh wa yakwa
I just saw one.
If you are in Amnikwemu.
Oh, yeah, Adom.
Good body for my friend. Who's a new interacting my body for?
Yes. I'm for a friend. But
body for me, when you say Musu Bekalbiache, Montreal.
Yeah.
If you are now community health center, be a show a painty a cracher in Kuyan or doctor go with a kaye is good. But I am a woman now, Kaka, Sana, a boy constant. But beyond that, constituency, Boko, come.
Oh,
the beer
come.
President
Obama, answer my men, Nikai, Emma Mampong, Hema, and then a tranquil. The true, 2-4, and a Nibacon. Jatoswama, and no pay. That is on one cassa, but to an among. Ako primu ewo mampo na akokoja and lieutenant the second in command akwan emra yanko ponto no safre no enti yamu nyina yakọ na yesre nyame se nyame empe nana ne kra ensieye na daache totorbonto no ebo a ye nanamo a yebekọ heaven aye na sorry na de kusia nyame enti ye ma mampo nyina yakọ ewo ade a atomo ni enyo mo nko na aka akan Ghana afana nyina enti ne dikana
na amamu ti sen
ma me fa ko wenso na me chia bodi fo mo hwe bia Adom TV dia yenim se ne sitie yourself na nyina nya Ghana nko a omo mo hwe anopai na yema obi a chi na yada ya mi asese o ma ya hoden yɛte nkwamu
Benjamin Pepra every body intin Benjamin Pepra every body intin Ben akwaba
we just so many things
o nyame adomoko body hefa potin na ofrefri ana ofri
body wo aye background be
o hefa
pacho background be
o si body hefa na wo
background
body background
na background
body se background na background
over Levy
background ene
over
so ni ho de ene
over background
ene on kan you what so oh Mr. Baba you celebrated your birthday outside the country right
well my birthday na minya
and then we celebrating
I just said, okay,
I am deliberate question. Now, what moment was your feeling? It was so deliberate. Okay, the birthday no be doing. Baby, all the control of the you don't say for you will be what I will come back to conversation.
Yes, sir.
But you know what to say.
Yami Adom, aban eba ye gu niema so. Ye toto niema. Obiara ni ho a o kan say ye problems a ye wo no. O be solve ni na and I say what the just a few months. Now I can say what solve problems e wo Ghana right now. But we are making effort. And then Ghana for the donor etimu efili policies na aban no de aguakwam na ehonsusu so a aba ebimu efili ewo man mu to the sense even timamfuo na nkasa ekore for reduction of prices of goods and services ewo man mu na say bibi drastic then ekoso ewo man mu enne akwara bia ni say seed no anya modern
aba
eye common knowledge what you say nti adwuma aban no eye ene niema bebre ekoso a obia di ho adanse se president Mahama the second time no
there's a change
there's a big change obia impact no obia efili bi obia hu se papa no abase obeye adwuma opese obabe live legacy and by the time obefree so no na say it me point say president Mahama the second time buy ya no oyewe and until no Ghanaians including the media everybody obia recommend no na amamu so de say ye nipa we ye dan ya to sin kakra bi ebebam what you say ye esin to beba we nya bibia say bibia be perfect
but it seem to be avoidable.
No, I say energy. I mean, say how now the koi. Na sa year.
Now what do you mean?
That is a question now.
Avoidable.
O question now. O bisano. Who lead me into that? Into my young cousin question. Ansana. All the question for Abba. What you say? Now, one city no. Esla no. We agree with Ghanaians. A man for Mbofu. A man for more criticizing. Man for Mokasa against one CD no introduction no. We agree with them. Sabi oman bia nipa bia ni ho a opa ho kire. Na ye hwe 8 years I besin ko ya ho kire Ghana fo ko mo no. Na ya ba no mo fu se e wo se ye hu savior. Na ye hu ha. Enti to introduce one CD no. Do na be ye mo adwon se e be san e do makọ back to dada no mu. Enti na ma I am siene ehu abano and omo a ehu abo omo a omo kasa etia omo criticize no eye ne kwanso ana no aban agree with them say because obi anu a opese in otuatas unum sa all over the world imposition of taxes no enye so easy human beings obi anu ready so otuatas what you say into Ghana for wo omahene any Ghana for patriotic Ghanaians. Omo criticize how one see the year.
You're careful with your choice and you say what draw line.
Patriotic.
So Hannah can say
I mean the right man crowd was
it.
Yes.
Why every Ghanaian?
Patriotic Ghanaians.
Every Ghanaian is a Ghanaian.
No. A bit the same people before. Omode eyi omo criticize omo so de gina no. Yes say sebe. What grass dem a. On to boba. What you say? Enti say wo ma hene. Wo so de na say won tia say urezi issue so a. Me no me uni asem. Because sa ho kire ba e be kan. Sa Ghana fo patriotic Ghanaians no. Obi mo yes na any problem. Benyan be before.
Omo ni sa akwanya no.
They won't need some moral rights. They don't have any reason to question how one city win. Oh my, it will be 2015. And I buy no who say, so much legacy debt in the energy sector. And I did extra buy for 5 years. Say, we are more, now you're fantastic. And yeah, implemented Esra for 1 year. And then by 2020, no. Now 5 years, no, also.
I couldn't come in.
I just say, I read this. Say, if you walk around, say, a swat table for more. Be a year now, one how, let us say, yeah, energy is a seminal, not as stabilizing. Am I? Only say, yeah, this is an about, I'll be before in Parliament, the opposite. So, okay. At a point, almost steady work out. Sir, esa no a ede ba no emwa enye emwa o man no ede ho kyereba e no mo kasa ti ya 5 years na ye na ye mu 1 year no second year no mu na mpi before ba mu amma so na omo de ayi 15 years 10 years no omo de additional year o shomani and on model, yes, I can almost say about and 2035. What I say? They rather a mortgage, no, and they could 2 billion. That's right. Some of the way, you know, can you want and that's saying, on what is says can we know? And then it's
getting worse.
It's worse now. Oh, my Ghana 4 years, sabi omo adwen papa omo trimu a omo bisa say ada na ye de 1 cedi ne ba no aya na omo ya adwen no ye misa say ya no energy sector no ni jira bia te sen we have energy crisis in this country
sisi e ka say
na say wo de ka sector wo na wo de ka $3.1 billion o. Is it 3.2? I think $3.2 billion. That's the debt. And you can't afford mutia no pay. And yes, sabe. You need to say, you introduce 1 city tariff, say, you find tria yahoka. But mine, the reality on the ground, and say, as you speak, you know, energy sector, no, and I say, want to say, power producers, not say, they will not supply power again. One say one member. Several of them. They wrote a letter officially to government say, among a certain period, say abano and tria sikani be among one, they will withdraw almost services. And you know, Ghana for as in Bisani say, abano on traho, on ding na power producers no, omo withdraw na ya power beam. Na a cost situation, I just send a Ghana for Becca. And then before you say, say cannot $3.5 billion na down, $3.2 billion, $1 billion at down. Almost say, quite first of interest as Gano. How do they propose? Say, you find this a problem. They should tell us.
But the options be anyhow apart from that 1% imposition.
I have an option. And can make a loan. Normally, Ghana, Bakaji one was so among your born into no. Omudi kro mo say o man na ya bankrupt nti omo ka kro mo de kro mo ntimi ntua both domestically and then foreign you know man who dia me omodi kre say enti ama sisi ya no kwa amana so kwaje busa kro na ya ma obi. Look at our situation no. It was option na wo ho no. One of the best options can all say ya kwaje busa na ni na Ghana foka but she said born yam before a year into no and then you can't even go to the market, international market. Our man, was here, young family. Untimunko, so Korezi, Irobon, so the church, you can do it.
But say options, they really say, one, mobility me have tour ECG tariffs, but already more page more. Finance ministry bit me absorb a cannabis, and I'm more follow on more now in terms of
finance minister by absorb no, a revenue, and other bars of revenue.
Some of us here high.
Yes, and no, if you say, oh, share your buy Ghana, my president Mahama, Ghana 40, no correct. Transparency one introduce M2, sir, yeah, buy ye. I mean, before, that's what I'm saying, sir. I won't need rights to even talk about Saturday's way. I won't buy no more criticism. Fool, 1 gallon essence. Now, 14 cities. I'm more time, I could do 100 Ghana cities. Oh, man. Of course. Me boy catch me.
Fuel,
1 gallon.
100.
At a point. Oh, man. Now, I'm free about women. Now, 1 gallon essence. Now, essence. Today, 60 cities, Grana. I'm about to 14 cities. What happened to your man? According to 60 cities. I want to move.
Correct.
And it's a who happened to be 14 cities. How would I call just 60 cities, Grana? What happened? Would that time now put free 14 cities? Because 60 cities, no, dear. Nay,
Once you shoot,
what I say?
Once you show a model rule about so-called in quote, Brasim, Yatifu and also Isikana Hodena Saba.
Yes,
because and train. Waman yourself in India one also chile pay face. Dear Yanni say Nyoma and 9 anamiensa and a control fuel any Isikana. Emu 0.01 the crying, certainly crying. Into her Yensa esho be a noon. Yamina I don't will be the nunca crabia my ensano 8 media ago. And Chibia over Kaisan as a Onka. Now, the point is that, until I say, this government has become so transparent to Ghanaians. When we say that we grab this, I say, I had he's a patron, you have a tono, sir, 15 cities to per liter now. I don't care, Jano. What is here? And I'm about 14. Now, what is so, sir? I'm about to person didn't cry.
But it's not within your control. But
it's your control. An
open, transparent government.
Someone can go
I've drawn his attention to the factors that contribute to stability, even in terms of our city. And the gains are in your fuel.
It's a coconut story.
It's coconut to you.
The train, as we speak now.
It's coconut to you.
See, can I want no air perform?
Yes.
Fuel no air bomb. But my catcher, with experience as a politician and educational, only perfect say. Yes, that should be an also anchor into our church.
Yes, anchor because we have an assurance, sir. CD no will continue to stabilize.
Complete.
What is here?
Modern stability in the member. They are holding your gold, you know.
Gold board or sir, in fact, 24 hour no. A back implement here. A bema, a will Juma, our Ghana production, about Costro. A month for Benya Juma, aye. Ama income, a genetic income, our minimum. What is here? And to know what I'm saying is, sir. Say, fu na eso tete na ye tete no. Say nye transparency na aban pe say one Ghana for eya. Anka betumi amasaje figures no. But we didn't do that.
Na mo yi money na nka mo dia.
Yi money na nka dia fam. In fact, asem be bae do na awase mo muka no. Say Argentina.
Mo yi money na
mo yi money na nka mo fam na se dabi. Yeah, President Mahama adin se a kire Ghana for say obedi no kura ekiro enti dem be bia ye be mo hu ensuo na se disa wo be hwe a o ye wo wasem. That's what we have done. Enti no sa one for na aba no. In fact, by another ikura no ayin be san kofom enti ada on the day no effect no kura no
no
friends no be effect. Enti no me de Ghana for ye be serem. I think say now no they say near or what Canada no. Also no so. I before baby increase extra a period from 5 years to 15 years. I want fan tia. I want this come on fan tia no.
Omo the boy no bra. Governance.
Who did you purposely? Who introduce talent and among binum akasa. Say, Omo they don't have problem paying it. But whether or not say you be use Sasikano and ye settle part of the debt na one. And on President Mahama, I said gonna for you now was say. In fact, Emra oji tum say $1 1 cedis no emra no. Na enye na komomu. Na ode oyaw. Na ode yeye. Na wanye sanso a energy no burden sector no ebeji nsem. Enti osrega na fo say. Yamwo no. Na yanjin tum. Na mom ohye bo say. Obeji sika no. Na ode aye the purpose a Emma ya introduce sa 1 CD. What you say? Intermediate, me say, patriotic Ghanaians are more concerns with that introduction. No, it's legitimate. It's welcome. Government will take on board more criticism. Now, I'm before they don't have rights to talk about this because one, you took fuel price from 14 cities. You left it. Me say at a point where 100 cities. What happened to Namako? 1 to 1 and Coco. Did you leave it at 14 cities?
Okay, so
and then we enter my pager from 14 cities.
So the guarantee is that Sir 1 city no Esla Ebeji Gumuno. Ebeman Susan so Papa Abba.
And see, Abamaya who say, they say, Yano, body, light off, a bar, Obiesu. More fridges, omo your coastal. No more watch romo. Yen tier 1 city way. Ebe improve power sector no. Ebe improve energy. Ama o koto nam frita ma be go warehouse ho na. You don't think about sebia lot of them nam na pro. Enti ebe boa. Ama in fact the only thing is say sa power producers no. Ombenya some level of sanctity say Sabana say obetua at this month obetua say yamaya there is a scout where the obetua ebasana they will continue to produce for us. Okay. Unlike Nancy omo threaten say omo threaten say omo is a yantu omo kana they will stop production. Omo stop production. What will happen to us? Okay, so and what you say you know masa nyina say omo kasa omo criticize no aban no at yes wrong because of that $3.2 billion debt now am before ja how Montreal how jack e da no ya ye hu bia e bibia mfa ho a energy nsem no abeji nsem. Okay, so yes wrong so I think that almost every government bia be far adia this particular sector no be no awajam for so dia to hold and then you have to establish that point. Number 2 ento no sanka oban bi bai and who say no e kana legacy debt na yabeto no ye nyina ya impossible tax na 5 years infantua what is here if you follow it religiously 5 years no we should see drastic improvement sanka kanu above from wo ba na when standing feeling be aka additional 10 years or so what you can Obakono, I cannot afena abalu. Former Deputy Minister, maybe you help us. Maybe yes, my yakano. It's as a antenna office or pain. Na yanko up and down here. ABI and Antino Maradonas. Are you able to help us say the working stability, efficiency, reliability? If we are paying the 1 CD to Esla there, it means that is the assurance that we have at Debebre. Is that the case?
My name is Minchia. Samson. Minchia. Ghana for when you say and pay now. My associate me with the condolences I extended to the people of Asante Mapon. This week in a way, in Kessia, occupant of the Silver Stool, the EE Asante Mapon. Mewina Yako. Yakopon Nankasa fa na crown phrase ye. Na you see, Amine, why I want the way that we some opposition what about government. What best once someone subano. What that could some na what do tuado would do man. Akofi. Na American memorandum honorable Ato Forson or the call parliament. Full of lies. Also, PURC full wire reckoning of tariff on for fuel and count. It's a complete lie. Massa. I can say it now.
What now? Because I know too.
What's up?
Because I know too. Now someone can say, "Oh, you too."
Not a bomb cracker.
And that's what I'm doing. I'm doing exactly that.
Am I? I true say. Osan the PURC will compute tariff full account. Ma one gin tum on your excess capacity payment. On the PURC in gin tum mo fan tariff no mami na we into account. And it makes sense. Our ECG under Mr. Mahama Naban na sign wo contract be baby. Ain't here power.
Which of them take or pay?
Absolutely.
Car power.
Chief.
Oh, Mr. Getting to be also
I don't know it. What's Yo.
What's a number? I will expose all them. Someone have to police stories.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Okay.
Excess capacity na PURC 1 G 2 more fanka tariff. And rightfully so. Power contracts are signing. In fact, at a point, and almost 50% of the invoices are IPPs were generated. We don't need, but we have to pay. $1 billion per year in excess capacity payments from 2009 to about 2013.
1 billion.
Man, so you sit here and come and say what? We inherited 2.5 billion debt in the energy sector.
That's not true.
In fact, World Bank projected that if nothing was done about the energy sector data, by 2023 it was going to rise to 12.5 billion. That's when we rolled out the energy sector recovery program to contain the debt. His Excellency Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo in the State of the Nation address, last one on our Parliament on the 3rd of January 2025, he gave the position of the on the energy sector debt.
And I say,
was it disputed? Oh, Chief, Mr. Rowe. It's 2.5 billion. It's what we left. Now, between 2017 and 2024, and another Akufo-Addo handed over government or the NDC. The lights were largely on.
When?
Where was the money coming from?
When?
Where was the money coming from? Government had to pay for it. And see, our promising Ghana for there are taxes be or stifle or the hardship labor. Eba ebe taxes be if you and then you took away Levy. 2 months down the line, they introduce a new tax handle. As my man because I am MPP.
Is it new? Is it not a continuation?
It's an increase of an existing tax.
Exactly. So
it was 0.93. Since we're moving to 1 CD 93, 1 CD 95 pesos.
So it's an improved, it's an increase.
Increase. But by more than 100%. To what end?
To clear the debt.
Now, Kasama means say, I will in a reduce fuel. And I Ghana for one higher one. Into say, S1 to 1 CD.
Now, under the regulation was there, but you didn't even implement it fully.
Yampone na
or those who want to so the concentrate to what
you see, complete lie.
Because it was a weapon.
Was that there? Mine since 2015. Now, Mr. Mahama Naban implemented full cost recovery. 2015. Full cost recovery in the petroleum sector. Also, now ban along for petroleum. Private sector full. And what the petrol order bar. Government was only providing some subsidies. Working in such that forces of demand and supply are crude price and the exchange rate and importers no margins no determine, of course, taxes no determine how much we pay at the pumps. It is a fuel price will drop from $83 per barrel to about 63 or say 69 today. Sitting away gain the strength. Yes, we can give you the credit. I don't have any difficulty. Even though I mean now in what is accounting for the depreciation or the strengthening of it's a partly manipulation. It's partly manipulation.
Is that what
partly the gaining of strength? Not just partly manipulation. In the present to be on the kitchen and the old baby or the Bank of Ghana governor or overstepping. So if you are not manipulating it, no forces of demand and supply or determiner, then how do you even have a cost? How can you do it if it's the forces of demand and supply that is determined? So you can manipulate it all you want. But in the manipulation, no, our revenue unban is what will lead you to bring this draconian increase.
A draconian.
The increase in tax by more than 100% or a draconian.
A draconian.
Maybe some. The increase in tax by more than 100% on your draconian. I will wonder a draconian.
No, Levy
was 1%. This is one city on every liter.
The reliance on the is on the windfall.
About windfall on your hand.
See the appreciation.
Price.
See the appreciation.
Or he manintimi and only man because meaning say what buying a motor so be I windfall at Otis Abba free man and said that Emma gun and in or say none of the way into our three more Manchester.
Petrol do 23 cities to a liter.
Correct.
Abba's not accounting for them price. Crude rose as high as $120 per barrel. The exchange rate no so cost. We paid crude no before. City also improve over time. Prices dropped all the way to 14 as of January 7th, 2025. Yenyan who benefit that. If the crude are before, next city they gain the strength beam. Na petrol no drop to 12. What has Mr. Mahama done that he tells us the honor why NT? So and one more city on your feet. What has he done?
Because the fact is you no control.
Thank you. Akosoro to 23 year work once a me. It was a market. No determining. Or dropping bus 14 cities as of January so. It was a market. No one into what drop to 12. How does Mr. Mahama catch her and don't know why ye? Inti say ye win for beer. Ye man one city, no phone call to your cow. And I ask, then the since one yesterday did do something come be mpo. Osande McKay, we have energy ministry. When we are keeping the lights on at every point, be a maintenance be a, and our system challenge be bar, my doom light. There was the debate about whether Doomso has stopped during Mr. Mahama the time and not during Mr. Akufo-Addo the time.
Correct.
So why are we talking about Doomso today? Because there's a point that we made.
But
for 4 years, I get the zoom on the Mr. Mahama.
I was doing so during your time. I'm beside a post on my timetable. I can't on one timetable.
Let's see.
Or the can say, or you beside say on my timetable. Or say,
what is it?
Or say, almost said do so, I'm going one timetable.
Because no need to say do so.
But there was some doing so. Now some people, Ghanaians requested for that timetable. what I say, they was doing so under their watch. Over to like I said, we provided.
Okay,
so,
Mesa, Kosu.
Worst situations.
And your worst situation.
Terrible situations.
And your terrible situation.
Under your watch.
The abandonment paying for 1 year, ahobrase.
Now
I appeal to the.
That's what I have done here.
That's not what you are doing.
That's what I have done here. That's what I have done here, Master. That's what I've done here.
I could be some.
Okay, so all my sir,
it's a expose you are.
I was in line. I was doing
more than edge to me. Oh, and no quite. Mama came, Mama Bessa, one came, man, can ye? No, quite running. Okay,
I can be some of
time. It's not hot neck at one mogeji. Reba, one mogeji. Esla. That in itself is not true. Am I in no quite there? Time a yaba banim. The debt component and all. There was no way the IPPs were going to generate power and accrue more debt. In fact, Saturday, thank you. Esla so ban kakra. E ko to 1 gallon bia na etua kakra. A wo digi boma bosumu su bia ske we ne bia no. Na invoices mbi wo de etua. What it meant was that entumsia econo doma on form so that you have regular supply of power. Into my banye here in the Dokobo Bossa through the ESLA PLC or raising bonds to pay down the ESLA debt.
Because we are guaranteed.
Thank you. And then use part of it to service the debt over time. That's prudent. In any event, as of December.
Hold on. What you kind of say?
I remember.
Or see,
sure.
I buy and buy, you know. The other two, no, or more independent power producer, or more Canada. Then now the ombe me at Twasso Abo Canago. In Japan, same. Okay, so Iceland, they may find Kusi Awa. No, me now. Part of it. Me Matissa coming in a summa from Kaka. Because I dey go to you Kaka. Now you find
in the first place, no, as Ranabano. You voted against it. So I was saying,
oh, that's a different conversation.
That's a different conversation. And you for 5 years, remember, and 5 years. Last span of Esther, 5 years. And I buy no. And the next say that's what you're in now. And you was a reckless decision. But what is that to be there? So, Utiaya, I didn't a debt. Let me say, Omutiaya, I didn't a debt, no. As I increase the old canon. I didn't that. I increase Mamu and Twasso. I didn't that, no. As I increase, what doesn't be alright. We are talking about $3.2 billion now. Now, Omutia. I did 2 billion Tia. I didn't know. And that's that, no. As a pajama. System losses in us for a cacking. Okay,
yeah, system losses. System losses, no, a component of it is actually factored in the tariff.
Wow.
No. Mr. System losses, no, component B is factored in the tariff.
So why did you leave the debt?
The debt.
Why did you leave the debt?
Saturday, news file.
That's your good debt. I'm on that debt, and I'm on that debt.
Saturday, news file. Government spokesperson made a statement. Aussie ECG, what did you once gain 100%?
In fact,
on to bill would get one invoices that will receive from
even
the IPP.
It's 100% payment.
Thank you. Why?
If
there were no system losses, if they collected all their money, 100%, one to invoices that will generate.
Wow.
Because of the contracting, Mr. Mahama now ban only Nkofunu call into arrangement no. That power be able to generate be anu ye hiu ye be use ye
what the amosane ye no didn't it have that component
and the assign
so you agree say mobile one dey fe to generation
remember say eba ban
so you agree say mobile no they didn't even add 1 megawatt to the generation that's what you said
say any we agenda 111 nyina eh ben the hospital say say your priority so oba who na manimpo bros
so why is he criticizing it
the criticizing
no private sector bia oba a project sir I made a mistake about him I PPP arrangement private sector ankasa aba make some investment no No can say one producer and who's going to do that? Now, how long is it going to be? How many minutes? How many minutes? How many minutes of Okasa? Anna, all the $500 million about investing into energy. What's it? Say,
and that's the you know. Tio, who got to sign contract? What year now know that area could be area quite for sure. So can see a need to be pepper to pepper crana. So I cannot hear cool energy sector on me. You ain't even cool read that. Me am shame. And see, amongst other reasons, they say, so we confirm, dear we. Me say I didn't make here. We say, it's now here still. So I did we go so out here. I know that I had this thing. Because police and I'm not better by amount. I'm not your crisis. Your crisis, a power, energy power crown. Now, so one who times no any favorable. Who come and invest in your country? Okay, just who come and invest in your country? You see, does that make sense? Or maybe that's okay. I miss the point. No complete you. Mercy. Meditum. They what to argue. There, look. And our objective is there a strengthen young generation capacity. Into a contractee 5,000 megawatts of power when you needed only 3,000. 2,000 difference no about to yakau. Yeah. And you soon enough. I could for the you used to be. I saw the council. I used to be a problem. But it's why you understand that time no? Why enter into that agreement now? And can you not even only something? No problem. But what you say? But the point still remains. Explanation is all the man. No, I don't want to be animated because I said you know what and cannot crown yet to be a demand. So a counter up but the hall as a result of them excess capacity contracting. It's real. So you agree that excess capacity has brought us in a way this far. You agree to that? But it's undeniable. Say I can say. You demand MT supply. Listen, and demand MT supply. You don't even talk about excess capacity now. And there's no excess capacity. I'm telling you, demand MT supply. It's not true. Yes. Find out from everybody. When Energy Commission. What I say? So we've exhausted all the 2,000. Yes, it's not true. Yes. From use of energy for no much. All right. Demand equal to supply. Okay. At the peak level. Okay, no problem. Yeah. For the whole period. Peak demand. Undo 4,000 megawatts. Peak. Undo. We need the figures. But I know that when we were in government. We were in government. And we were in government only 6 months ago. We are talking about today. In December. Pepper supply. In December. There's no extra capacity in Ghana today. It cannot be correct. It's not true. Go and do your research. Don't sit here and say it cannot be correct. The production thing is feeding me on. It cannot be correct. I'm coming to me. Calm down. What's up with me? There. But well, as in the next 10-12 minutes, you wrap up. I'm making us a Joy News Habitat Fair first clinic, Basso on the 20th of June to the 23rd of June at Chimota Retail Center. Honumti, Shannon, so a boy, and they. Nyumekwa hodo ebe die adansi hu nyoma ede achira ma bibia ti meko kama ede ama wona ase Ecobank Joy News Habitat Fair Ecobank ede animka the Pan African Bank Virtual Security Africa Security for All Superlock Technologies Limited, you deserve the best. DBS Industries Limited, almost we truly are Your root experts, the Builders Market, Bathroom, get it right. Leash Fortune Limited, unleashing luxury with perfection, one space at a time. Clifton Homes, beautiful homes, wise investment. And Interplus, you're making sure that baby will be water reaches you. Shannon so say, we are a part of this Joy News Habitat Fair. They brought from the 20th of June to the 23rd of June. At Chimota Retail. Bakacho, GCB Bank shareholders update. No, it's important. It's still ongoing. Ebiana telephone number, address, BB, assessor. So an update will help you know what's going on with whatever you've invested and the news you have to know. Into telephone number, is a search email address. Just update it. It's important. And to me, I call ECG branch BIA or my then Ombebo, I'm waiting me. And I say, wait me access on website www.gcbbank.com.gh for that update. In a few minutes, you are done. Very important and useful exercise. Back in the studio, former Deputy Energy Minister, former Minister, Creative Arts, Sana Mekano, and former Member of Parliament, Sekune Atnase, Hadam say, Ira, Japan Mesa. Anna, Member of Parliament, Body constituency, former Deputy Works and Housing, now Deputy Trade. And so I want to say, the name for Samson, Tibasama benefit of the doubt because Obemusa and no, I have to.
Mamun conclude now.
That's not to me. That's not
fair to me. That's not fair to me. And I said, go around now. Check it out. Because time is not a pump. Check it out, not him.
But
it's 9-8.
And see, no crack. Justification behind the whole door there, Mr. Mahama, Nanaban. We impose an additional 1 Ghana cedi on the liter of fuel to pay for the inefficiencies of electricity company of Ghana. And a kawa contract purely on account of phantom agreements was signing for Ghana for the Yimsia. Into Masre, we have to put up a strong resistance against this increase in the ESLA levy. Funds all here, Oman. Excess capacity payments. Yes, start here renegotiation. What promising that but they will continue it and finish. They should focus on that. What's the more 100 days? We must solve all the problems in the energy sector. 100 days now, but won't focus, no one fix ECG so that ECG can collect the money and pay. This money award is nothing but to generate revenue to fund their budget. And that cannot be allowed. What promise Ghana for the taxes a year to know or enough. What bottom one manage the economy successfully. Yamu one kwan. What's the MPP? Yambo ya home wasn't. Or send the e-levy bay or the bed and crofo. E-levy. And on ye ESLA increase is 8 times. ESLA increases 8 times more.
So than what a percentage.
Yes, on transfers that you make. Okay.
This one is
and 1%. 1 cedi on every liter. Into set of 4.5 liters.
100% too.
Man, I'm going set to 1 gallon now. If you have 4 cedi 50 pesos on every gallon. That cannot be something that we ought to accept.
100%.
100%.
I didn't see it through. I was still in the 1% dreamland.
Sure, 1% dreamland. No.
How can it be 100%?
No, but you're trying to know it's maybe I.
No, I didn't.
At 1 liter, yeah. It's your 1 cedi. It's at 1 gallon now. Or you for every gallon be able to be ano. Every gallon be able to be ano. Every gallon be able to be ano. Every gallon able to be ano. It's your tax additional. On your mere ayo already now can say to your tax about 22%. Since we're moving to almost 35% taxes on fuel, and it's not something that we have to accept. GPR to fuel indicate, MPP has indicated that we will fight for the Ghanaian. will make all the noises. Most of the other than Kwakufa do ye ma light in the Gina do. In the midst of all the Kawe German, Otsu ma light in the Gina do. Who promises him to Ghana for the Eba? You would release them of the burden. You ought to be held accountable for those promises that you made.
In releasing us of our burden, it doesn't also stop them from legitimately.
Listen, there is no basis. There is no legitimacy. Already, foundation I will lay for the implementation of this law. It's full of lies. What's it? Fuel is not part of the PURC reckoning. I'm saying to you that it is. Matter of fact, PURC do not only recognize excess capacity contracts that ECD are signed. Why ban the time now was signing? Go and negotiate with these same contractors that you contracted for power that we didn't need and get a discount. We did. Under the Akufo-Addo administration, we negotiated with them. We didn't conclude all of it. Focus on it. Focus on fixing ECG. EBE was starting. ECG all sorts of stories. And Akohine was opposition. Since you are in government, move away from that truth and focus on the reality, the fact on the ground, and fix the problem. That's your responsibility.
I say, you focus on fixing ECG. Which means, you two say 8 years on better now. ECG programs,
there are challenges there.
They couldn't fix it. And what I say, I say, excess capacity negotiations. 8 years, they couldn't negotiate for excess capacity arrangement.
As I'm again, I'm
say, young trust. Now, let me say, oh, mine. Ghana for Mutia no pay. Let me say, who say, energy sector, a cow one, I said, can you?
A cow.
A car, 3.1 billion dollars, I know at the whole. Now, because of say any friends, gas, we have to fall on land crude. And also yet talk. We need money to purchase land crude. No.
Baby, how do you know?
And he said, I can't what?
Am I in it? Yeah.
I can't Mr.
Gas, yeah, primary fuel. It is only when we are maintenance.
Oh, am I in it? Please.
It is only when they are doing maintenance.
Please.
But I've been in the energy ministry. Please.
Mr. I don't think Mamma Casa.
Oh, Mr. Baby, what do I say?
I'm and Tini now, now, me person me say. Mr. No say, I cut $3.1 billion in it. I don't know. I come back from Dia. I your mind na yebu. Ghana. Aban, and Ghana for. Abano enko pesi kan free sabi baby a. Aya timam for no. And I pese mama say.
Ghana
for Mr. Mo.
Taxes any
where am media bay no?
A COVID leave.
And what you say?
What promising the way just what?
It's not true.
Oh,
COVID.
Bisan. COVID leave is still there.
Who that say? Nase.
It's still there.
Say the beya. Mubenya ayinam kania. Reliable one. Reliable one no. Mr. Mo, munjin tu mame. Na mom Ghana for move for money in actually.
Akufo-Addo. He kept the lights on for 8 years without any additional taxes.
Yeah, the buyer, I didn't see a ma. Yeah, impossible 1 cedi no. Yeah, the buyer. Now, yeah, the tria energy sector levy now as a debt now. I walk on.
That can you
also stabilize. Now, Ghana for me say, yeah, per se, doom sono, extra. Now, yeah, hoshi. Na se president mama so kura no initiative we na sa ko trafie ema ade no gi nsem a unkro ya so obeka se president mama na wonim sa ade tina ka
what the mental
patriotic Ghanaians professor Bokman what's it amu introduce Levy no na yes be any Levy, no only 3 and any dear. I didn't know they didn't know it. But now, when no dear, 1% a year about energy, you know. There is a target. One city, you know, there is objective. I'll be a kind of foreign name say, yeah, the Kotia part of $3.1 billion dollars a kana at the honor. Amma, you better Latway and Amma, Obia, Oya Treno, the figure now, a man who Edomutisemo, and Num, until Mastramo. Mumayentia, Mamunja, Yano Munja, Moti, Abambo, when no, Omodia Yansan, wow, and Omutim. Now, some people before to me introduce Levy. They justify it. Massa, he went out and supported it. Even Levy, he supported it.
And what did he say?
Now, I had just cause. When?
Unjust.
Unjust. Unjust cause. Important introduce you. It's a Levy. Now, I had just cause because energy, equita, or money.
Oh, yeah, just cause I get the money.
Energy, no. I didn't say more. Energy, didn't say more. I didn't know that, Mr. Is it against the constitution?
So why didn't you engage the people of Ghana?
They're standing orders.
They're standing orders. You put it in the
constitution. Ghana constitution. They're standing orders. Allow the certificate of emergency. Midnight. Constitution.
Matrical government.
Ebra Levy ba no. Ade ba kwa mo twe Iraq no frata.
Na mo tabi ani akire.
Atwai.
Ntina yes.
Atwai mo say anka stakeholder engagement kwa na be boa ma ebia ye be ka se ani ana da bi omo anye nti omo muyen omo ye nyama ho omo ya homaso. Only for us to wake up one day. And it's 1 city deduction. Taking effect today.
Because of the rejection.
No, by the no, it's not rejected. You're almost say. I you know. No, there was a meeting yesterday. Emergency meeting yesterday with the distributors. You know.
But how do you say Sunday? Can
you imagine? It's not that. Almost say. You're ready until November 16th of this month. In a week.
So I'm saying that.
Remember, it's not like someone rejected. Almost say, yeah, more time.
But it's
not
it is clear that it was not thought through well because.
No.
I don't know
your pricing window every other week.
Yeah.
Standing
2
orders.
weeks, we are pricing window.
Standing orders.
Canada's pricing window point.
Article 1. Because one process talks about certificate of emergency.
About emergency, no way.
What is it?
Emergency,
emergency.
Emergency that's why you left $3.1 billion. And I was and didn't do anything about it. What is it? How much are going for to
there's a build on.
What is it? And you have the Ghana for yes, Ghana for say. Why and you hey, and I've been before. I've been born and I'm a body on the boy memoir. Emma, I can't energy sector no. And hunting.
So we
and oh, come on. Now, Obia will say yes. Obia will say yes. Improved. There will be improved power supply in this country.
Okay.
Serious improved power supply in this country. And Mamun Tiana before no yellow. No more dear. Sir, I may say that my sister McCain. Oh, my hand. And Ghana for almost Sazena will listen to you. There will be Nanya Massa and the group.
Okay, so
am I in a more data beyond Sunday?
My papa, I said, because there's no data here. As
of 30th June 2023.
You are not reading anything. You are not reading anything. Because oh yeah,
okay, so
am I ideal capacity.
Oh my goodness. 3, 2, 1, and that's it. Yeah, no matter
this is our abandonable.
055 star. Anyway,
there's no justification for this increase in the levy at all. Absolutely no justification.
As I was saying now,
because of what
you are in government. Oh, you may change the narrative.
No, yes, Ghana amwa. Yeah, one thing we obi antwa bi.
Ose, he Levy. No,
what you say?
Any basis bia.
Basis back.
Now how can you even say that?
Basis back. I don't know just.
Remember, how can you even say that? But I want position that can about some now.
One point, because woman have to come. Have to come in.
I promise you.
Have to come in.
We are meeting here. Thank you so much for your time.